Dialogues for Practicing English. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Herman. And if you want to improve your English, you've come to the right place. Remember that every week I'm bringing you videos about grammar explanations, dialogues for practice, and study tips. So be sure to subscribe. And now, on to the video. This time the practice will be with two people who have just woken up, and they establish a short conversation about what their day will look like. I will be performing the two voices, but you can pause this video and practice as you like. Also, remember to repeat as many times as you need. Here's a pro tip. Replay this video as many times as necessary. Pause the video and repeat the pronunciation as many times as you need. Practice is the key to perfection. Good morning, Sarah. Good morning, John. How did you sleep? I slept well. Thanks for asking. How about you? I slept okay, but I think I need a cup of coffee to fully wake up. Yeah, same here. I was just about to make some. Would you like me to make you a cup? That would be great, thank you. Can I help with anything? No, I got it. Just sit back and relax. I'll bring it to you in a minute. Thanks, John. You're the best. By the way, what are your plans for today? I was thinking of going for a run in the park and then maybe some grocery shopping. How about you? I have a yoga class in the park this morning. After that, I have some work to catch up on. Nice. It sounds like we'll be enjoying the beautiful weather today. Definitely. It's the perfect day for outdoor activities. Absolutely. I'll bring your coffee to you now. Thanks, Young. You're a lifesaver. No problem. I hope you enjoy your yoga class and have a great day at work. You too. I'll see you in the afternoon. When John says, I slept well, thanks for asking, how about you? That how about you is a question that we ask to return a question to the person that is talking to us. And it can be used in many contexts and almost for anything. The question, would you like me to make you a cup? Would you like me to? It's a question that we use when we want to offer to do something for someone else. And the phrase, I have some work to catch up on, that's a phrasal verb, and it means that I have to work that needs to be addressed. Now here's a continuation of the dialogue, the same two people, and the day has passed, and they meet in the afternoon. Hey Sarah, how was your yoga class? How was work today? The yoga class was great, and work was busy as usual. How was your run and shopping? The run was refreshing, and the shopping was quick and efficient. I went to the office for a while to organize some things. Nothing out of the ordinary. I was wondering, what do you feel like having for dinner tonight? I was thinking maybe some Thai food. What do you think? Thai sounds good to me. Do you want to eat out or order in? Let's order in. I'm not really in the mood to go out. I don't feel like driving and parking. I just want to eat a tasty meal. Okay, that works. Do you have a specific restaurant in mind? How about the Thai place down the street? I heard the food is really tasty. That sounds perfect. I'll call and place the order. What would you like to have? Can you order the pad Thai for me and maybe some spring rolls to share? Sure thing. I'll call now and place the order. Thank you. What would you like to have? It's a phrase that it's used to ask the other person what they want to eat. Remember also that eat out or order in. Eat out is when you actually go out and have dinner in a restaurant, and it can be dinner, lunch, or whatever. Or you have the other option, which is order in, and it means that you actually place an order and they deliver the food to your place. Remember that if you have any questions, you can write your comments down below. Also, make sure to subscribe, give this video a like, and share it with people that you think might like it. And if you still need to practice your English, I'm gonna leave you with a video right here. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, stay tuned for more. Bye!